If someone has stolen your content, you have the right to protect your content by sending them a copyright claim and their copied content will go down. In this video, I will explain you the step-by-step process on how to send a copyright claim. Now, let's get into the video.
So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you if someone has stolen your content and uploaded into their YouTube channel, and if you want to remove that content from their YouTube channel so that nobody can use your own content, own copyrighted content, then this is the video for you. Right, so you need to go to your YouTube studio, and in the left hand side menu you need to click on the copyright option. Now let's understand that how this thing works. As you can see, these are the videos which are being copied, and these are the views that the videos got after copied, and these are the views and date and all, everything is here, right? And you can see like how much content is copied, 10, 20, 30, right? So this is the information you can get. Now if I show you one example like how to remove the content, if I show you removal request message, basically you can contact those channels and ask them to remove, and here you do have the archive option, right, like ignoring. So let's take one video from here. Let's take this one who have copied almost 100% of my content, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'll click. As you can see here, I do have three options like here, right? So three options we do have. Move to archive, so move to archive is basically like ignore the content, and removal request, basically I can request to remove. So let's contact the channel. So this is basically YouTube will send a notification on behalf of me. So here I need to enter my mailing address by using which I have created my YouTube channel so that YouTube can verify. So once I enter it, let me enter here marketing fundas global @gmail.com. Now as you can see, I've added the email address. Now just hit the send button, and once I click here, YouTube will send a notification and a request to delete that content, right? Now for example, I want to delete that content immediately. So for that, there's another option. This is just the request or the notification has been sent. Now if you want to know that where these notifications are sent, basically if you want to know that someone has copied your content, you can check your Gmail as well. Like this is like you can directly log into your YouTube studio, otherwise you can check out your emails as well, right? Now let's talk about the second method. Let's say if you want to immediately download the delete the content. Let's say you don't want to send the request, you want to send immediately deletion request or immediate strike. So what you can do is you can send a removal request. So once I click here I need to mention few details, like I need to click here and I need to select like what type of work is, right? So here I'll select video, and in the subcategory I can select it is from my channel or it is from another channel, and I am the legal represent, or what is this. So I'll select from my channel, and here you need to provide the URL of that video, right? So as you can see that this is the video, and you need to provide the original video from my channel, from your channel, basically you need to paste, right? And here you can select like the copied content is entire video or just any specific part in the video. So in that case you need to provide the timestamps, right? Otherwise you can select the entire video. Then here infringing videos, so basically uh, the content you need to provide, you basically the URL of the video which is copied, right? So the link should be pasted here. As you can see, this is the video, so you can just copy the link and paste it here. And if it is multiple, then you can click on the multiple add to list. So this is how you can do. After this, let me scroll a little bit down. Here, as you can see, this is my content and this is the copied content. Now here in the copyright owner, who is copyright owner, myself or my company, organization or client? So you can select whatever the option suits you. Then here you need to mention all the details, all the important details like phone number and copyright owner details and all, everything you need to enter here. So this is the details of copyright owner, right? Address and all. After this, we are into the removal option. Like you want to send a 7-day notice, or you want to remove the content immediately, it is totally up to you. Then here is one more important, like prevent copies of this video from appearing on YouTube going forward. So if you select or if you check this box, and if you check this box, like I certainly, basically if you are agreeing with the terms and conditions, which means if someone else tries to copy this content in future, YouTube will restrict them because you have checked this box, right? So this is the automated process. Like if you check this box, which means YouTube will not allow in future to copy this particular video to any channel, right? Now here is some legal agreement, and you need to add the signature digitally and then hit the submit button. And once you hit the submit button, on an immediate basis YouTube will take action and YouTube will remove the content from that channel, right? Or it will go down from that channel and your content will be saved. So this is how you can send the copyright request or copyright strike to another channel who have copied your content. I hope you learned from this video. If you're still confused, and or if you have any kind of confusion regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I can see in my YouTube studio that almost 93% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. So please, it is a humble request to you, please subscribe the YouTube channel so that I can bring more useful tutorials and videos like this. And yeah, bye bye.